Hello everyone, my name is Arpan and you are watching my YouTube channel Bend It Like Arpan. Today's video is about the Paschimottanasana, that is the forward seated fold, but this time I am going to share with you how to do it with the yoga belt. Earlier I had made a video on the same asana, but there I have not used the yoga belt. Rather I have shown how to do a little bit of warm up before the asana. So if you want to watch that video with warm ups and without the belt, then I will leave the link to the video in the description down below and you can check out the video. So let's do the Paschimottanasana today with the help of the belt. So without further delay, let's hop onto our yoga mats. So for doing the Paschimottanasana, we will sit in Dandasana first, that is sitting with our back straight, shoulders relaxed and legs stretched out in front of us. Now let's take the belt and let's fold our legs from the knees and wrap the belt around our feet, and let's gently just straighten our legs again and make sure that the belt is equally divided on both the sides. It's not long and short, it's equal on both the sides, and hold both the ends of the belt in your hands. Now if you don't have a yoga belt at your home, it's okay, you can use a long towel, maybe any sheet or anything like that, whichever you're comfortable with. So let's hold both the ends of the belt in our hands and let's just breathe in, stretch the spine in the upward direction, relax the shoulders, boost the chest, suck in the belly, and as you breathe out, pull the legs towards you with the help of the belt so that the upper body comes forward. Now when we are pulling the feet with our hands with the help of the belt, then obviously the feet are not going to come towards us, right? So what is going to happen? Our upper body is going to come forward in an easier way with the help of the belt. So let's just try this once again. Breathing in, stretch the spine in the upward direction, boost your chest, and as you breathe out, pull the legs with the help of the belt towards you so that the upper body comes forward. And as you breathe in, come back to the normal position. And let us repeat this a couple of times to become comfortable with the stretch and the movement. You can do it 10 to 15 times. And then you can finally hold for about 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute depending upon your comfort. And then when you are done, you can come back. Now if you feel that this is too easy for you and you want to go deeper into the stretch, then all you have to do is just wrap the belt around your hands, around your palms once more, and then let's do the same thing again. Breathing in, stretch your spine in the upward direction, boost your chest, relax your shoulders, suck in the belly, and as you breathe out, pull the legs with the help of the belt towards you, pull the belt towards you from the hands so that the upper body comes forward. You can repeat this a couple of times, say 10 to 15 times, slowly and easily, not too fast. And when you become comfortable, you can just bend forward as much as easily possible and hold for 30 seconds or 1 minute depending upon your comfort, and then come back again to the normal position. Now if you think you're comfortable with this now and you want to go deeper into the stretch, then wrap the belt around your palms once again, and gradually as you do this, your palms will come closer to your toes and your feet, and finally you can catch hold of your foot with both your hands and come closer, and then hold again for a few seconds, and when you are done you can come back and relax. So The trick to become more flexible in the long term is that you hold the same asana every day for 1 minute. That should do the trick, but you need to be patient and consistent at the same time. Okay, so do try this trick out of being patient and consistent for 1 minute in the same asana every day, and do let me know in the comment section below if it works out for you. And if you have any queries, then again mention it in the comments below and I will try to answer them. And so see you soon in the next video.